Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 step by step. If your PC can't detect your Wi-Fi automatically or it's hidden, this method will help you connect easily. So let's get started. Go to your control panel. In Control Panel, just do the category's large icons. Now, go to Find Network and Sharing Center. Here, find the option Set up a new connection or network and click on it. Here you will see many options. From the option, select Manually Connect to a Wireless Network, and then click on the next option. Now, just add your wireless network name. Then add your security type. In this case, I select this option. In security, add your Wi-Fi password. If you want to hide or show your password, check this box. Now, most important keys. Make sure to check the box that says Connect Automatically and connect even if this network is not broadcasting. After that, click on Next. That's it. Now close this window. You can see Wi-Fi connected automatically. But if you see that Wi-Fi doesn't connect automatically, go back to your Wi-Fi list, and you'll see your network added there. Just click Connect, and enter your password if needed. That's it. So this is the simplest way to add wireless Wi-Fi network manually in Windows 10 operating system. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are facing the same issue. See you in the next tutorial.